Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about key topics which were discussed in our platform community conference. So this is the document which has been released by the Microsoft. So let's understand what and all topics were discussed in Power Platform community conference. Since this is a long document, let's use Copilot to summarize this document or the web page. Now I will write a prompt saying that summarize this web page. So as you can see, the Copilot has summarized this web page and it says that here are the key points from the web page. The first update was related to Power Apps, right? So this was the discussion in the Microsoft Power Platform Community Conference. So there was an update about the Power Apps. New features announced at the Power Platform Community Conference include enhanced AI capabilities and a plan designer for iterative development. Second one was Copilot migration. Copilot assists developer in building intelligent solutions by drafting user roles, requirements, and proposing data models. And the third one was about the co-authoring. It is now generally available, which will allow teams to collaborate in real time within Power Apps. The fourth one is that users can join to get early access to new features and provide feedback. Now let's read this document. Here it is mentioned that great solutions don't usually start in code or by immediately designing the UI. Most experienced developers and teams start with an understanding of the problem, right? So first of all, they try to understand what is the problem, and then we will try to gather the requirements, and only then they will be ready with the code writing. Therefore, it was told that we are excited to bring the ability to build a plan to Power Apps Studio. With this ability, developers will be able to start working on the business problem in an iterative discussion with Copilot in Power Apps. They will be able to better keep connection between the business requirements and the solution they are building. This iterative and outcome focused development cycle can all happen right within the Power Apps Studio. Now makers will be able to start with a description of their business problem as well as provide additional context like process diagrams, data models, or even screenshots of legacy apps. Copilot will use this input to draft user roles and requirements for the solution. From this starting point, makers can continue to add or change roles and the requirements directly or with the assistance of Copilot. Right? So here you can see that you will tell your business problem, and based on that, the app will be created. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can see what is happening. Now here you can see that we have given a problem statement and then it is trying to provide the solution, right? Once the team will be aligned on requirements, Power Apps will propose a data model to support the solution and allow the makers to explore and make updates through a visual entity relationship diagram, which means when you will tell the problem statement, then it will be able to propose some solution, and there you will be able to make updates as per your requirement. When makers will be ready to start building the solution components, the plan designer will recommend what type of apps and automation will fit their requirements. So this will also suggest which type of app will be better for your problem statement, right? In the initial release of this functionality, recommendations will be to include Canvas and model-driven apps and CloudFlow in Power Automate. Now here it says that Power Apps Studio is evolving to enable developers throughout the entire software development cycle, centered on the end user and their requirements. The plan designer is going to be available through early adopter program before entering public preview. And you can request to join the early adopter program from this site. The next topic is that collaborate with Copilot and your team. While building alongside Copilot continues to improve, so does working alongside the rest of your team. We are extremely excited to announce that the co-authoring in Power Apps, which is now generally available. It will provide the ability to work with the team of developers, business users, and other stakeholders in a single pane of glass brings great advantages. And the next one is that building apps that are intelligent from the start. With the smart paste, instead of tediously searching for the right inputs, the end user can copy the text from an email or other source, which will let the Copilot identify the right information and map the content directly to your form. So another feature which is a smart paste. So if you copy certain data from your email and try to paste it in your form, it will automatically identify which part of the text needs to be put in which field, right? Additionally, when working on a large number of records, Copilot is able to help search and filter the data for users. Instead of numerous point and click actions, they can use natural language to quickly filter and search through data directly on the page. So now you can provide the natural language instruction to be able to quickly filter and search the data. In the last, it was mentioned that now you can join to early adopter, and to be able to join this early adopter program, you can access this site and then click on request to join. You'll be able to access the updates which have been released in the Power Platform. So these are the topics which were discussed in Power Platform Community Conference. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.